Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of TechTube. If you're also trying to send in files other than photos or videos on the Messenger app, you can see that there is no option within the Messenger app. Through this section, you can only send in videos or photos. But in case of PDF files, you'll need to send it through a different method. As you can see on the top, I've sent this PDF file on Messenger, but with the help of Google Drive. So what you need to do is firstly send the file that you want to send in to Google Drive and then only send in the link within the Messenger app. So first of all, you need to open up your Google Drive, or you can also head over to the file that you want to send in first. Select the file and tap on send, and then select the Google Drive option. Select your email that you want to send it on and then tap on save on the top right. Now once this file has been uploaded, you can head over to the app of Google Drive and tap on the three dots that you see right here and head over to manage access. Tap on restricted again, and tap on anyone with the link. This way now when you send in the link, other people can easily open up the link. Again, tap on the three dots and tap on copy link. Now once the link has been copied, open up your Messenger and you can just paste in the link that you just copied. So this way the files can be easily sent with the help of Google Drive. Through this exact method, you can also send in large video files, because large video files cannot be also sent within Messenger. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If it did, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.